Alright guys, so here's what we got. It's a little longer than I would have liked it. So I'm going to go in and on this end I'm going to cut some off. So I'll be back with you after I do that. There we go guys. Now let's go ahead and get it on the grinder. Alright guys, so I got my pieces marked over the texturing and we are going to go punch them real quick. So basically what I'm going to do off camera is take this right here, hit it onto the spots with the hammer, make a little indentation, and then I have the option of either drilling them out with a automatic drill or hand drill, or just hot punching them. So I decided to go ahead and just drill this with a hand drill, make this as rustic as I can. So this is all handmade. So here you go. Alright, so let's begin by, let's just start with the little piece, huh? Put it in there. Alright, so next we'll start with the drill bit. I got 3 of these size here, just in case one of them's not as sharp as it needs to be. Alright, so I got my hole marked and I will go ahead and drill the rest of the thing like that. Alright guys, I got my holes drilled. And these 2 off camera is going to take too long to film because of the battery life, but I'm about to I have 2 options at this point. I can put a nut and a bolt through it and tighten it off and be able to hammer that down, or put a rivet through it and hopefully I got a good size rivet, because last I know I only got 2 rivets. So let me show you my options. Alright guys, so there's my options. Got a rivet there and a nut and a bolt there. I think I'll go ahead and use this. So here we go. Alright guys, here's a finished product. What I did is I took a nut and I riveted it in there, as you can see on the side. Cut it down to a certain point on the grinder, rivet it on the back, and there's the end product. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like and you want more like this, leave a comment down below saying so, or like this video. Anyway, thank you for watching and have a blessed day.